try to race me right. Turned my mama's hair wet by the age of 33. She said, Lord have mercy, son, and what you trying to do to me? I'm just trying to live my life like Daddy drive. I got my foot down on the floor, I'm just trying to survive. I'm trying to live my life like Daddy drive. I got my radio wide open, move over and let me by. I told my folks I do not mean to drive you up the wall. I'm just jamming to the music, get the best lane in the ball. Mama, don't you worry, in the morning I'll be home. But the sun is fading fast, I feel a party coming on. I'm just trying to live my life like Daddy drive. I got my foot down on the floor, I'm just trying to survive. I'm trying to live my life like the old man drive. I got that radio wide open, move over and let me by. Oh, mama. I'm trying to live my life like Daddy drive. I got my foot down on the floor, I'm just trying to survive. I'm trying to live my life like the old man drives. I got my radio wide open, move over and let me by. I'm trying to live my life like Daddy drives. Slow down, Daddy. Yes, she came to me last night, wanting to talk. Lord, about some things that she had on her mind. I pretended to pay attention, but I had other things on my mind. Things like Linda, Dallas, and a very lonely man. Things like running away from all your life. Things like finding a woman who would give me all her heart. Things you could never understand. Yes, she said that she'd be leaving me come Friday. Yes, she said she'd thought about it for some time. And I pretended hard to pay attention, but I had other things on my mind. Things like Linda, Dallas, and a very lonely man. Things like running away from all your life. Things like finding a woman who will give me all her heart. Things you could never understand. Things you could never understand. My dad came from a family big as Texas, and his mom and dad had 9 kids after all. Yeah, and all my aunts and uncles were good people, but my Uncle Frank was always 10 feet tall. Yes, Uncle Frank spoke to me softly even when I wasn't good. And through my troubled years, my Uncle Frank, he understood. He said, you can lean on me, son, I won't ever let you fall. He could always make things right, 'cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. With Aunt Betty frying chicken in the cabin, me and Uncle Frank were out back in the snow. As he worked on that old Willys Jeep, I noticed, yeah, my Uncle Frank was really 10 feet tall. Yes, Uncle Frank spoke to me softly even when I wasn't good. Through my troubled years, my Uncle Frank, he understood. He said, you can lean on me, son, I won't ever let you fall. He could always make things right, 'cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. Softly even when I wasn't good. Through my troubled years, my Uncle Frank, he understood. He said, you can lean on me, son, I won't ever let you fall. He could always make things right, 'cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. He could always make things right, 'cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. He could always make things right, 'cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. Poking along on the highway, poking along on the byway. I'm doing 15 in a 55 zone. Look, I'm in here, looks like a speeder, speed limit sign. You'd better heed her, he's doing 80 in a 55 zone. Poking along, no need to hurry, I'm poking along, no need to worry, singing my song, and just a poking along. I look up ahead, blue lights are flashing, the poor old boy, he'll lose his license and I'll sneak on by, just a poking along. Poking along, no need to hurry, I'm poking along, no need to worry, singing my song, and just a poking along. I look up ahead, blue lights are flashing, the poor old boy, he'll lose his license and I'll sneak on by, just a poking along. Gone by, just a poking along. Once there was castles with maids to behold, circles and stories as children we were told. Once there were nights with armor shining bright. Well, they had their maidens to hold them through the night and love them through the night. True was the maiden to her knight, so brave and strong, but he had to leave her and journey all alone to face the dragon, breathing fire and certain doom. When he'd return, she would heal all his wounds and love him through the night. And the night would give his life to keep his maiden safe and true. That kind of love you cannot find. Oh, but that's the love I have for you. I'll love you for all time. So do not worry, I'll keep you safe from harm. Well, I'll slay the dragon and I'll hold you in my arms. The vows I make will stand the test of time. When the kingdoms crumble, you will still be mine. Oh, I'll hold you through the night.